Making our customers happy is our #1 priority, so when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, we love to share it. It just never gets old when our customers post this type of experience online. We take pride in knowing we're making our customers happy, makes us happy, as we continue to work hard to provide the best service possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day. As much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen, and we look forward to doing business with you.